Welcome back to Outlaw Channel. My name is Philip. I am your host. It's nice seeing you again. Let's talk about plumbing for a second. I don't know about you, but I used to be a little bit intimidated about doing plumbing, and I would normally call a plumber to assist me. And as you know, the plumbers could cost as the lawyer straight out of law school will charge. A few years back, I installed a kitchen sink, and I completely did the plumbing for it myself. This time I was installing a vanity, and I needed to reroute the current plumbing that is in place because I needed to extend it a little bit, and you will see why. I'm a firm believer that you can do it all on your own. There is no need to call somebody to help you. In the process, it will save you some money, and you will know how something else operates in your house. This is not a paid advertising. I purchased all of these items that I'm using in this video myself. Sometimes after trying several different items, I end up choosing one, and this is the one that you will see in the video. So let's move forward. For any kind of installation where you're installing a specific water line that leads, let's say, to a sink, and in case of an emergency, you need to shut off the water, I would recommend the quarter turn valves. They might cost $1 more, but they're definitely worth it. All you have to do to shut off the water completely, you just turn it at 1/4 of a turn, and it's completely done. The other ones, those are more suitable for a faucet. Let's say to put a faucet in the backyard, where you need to control the flow slowly and you're slowly closing it or slowly opening it up. If you are running a water line to the sink, you should just open it fully or close it fully. You very rarely will need to adjust it in between the settings. The quarter turn one allows you to change the setting however you like it, and it is all done within 1/4 of a turn. Let's say you go to Home Depot, Lowe's, or any other store near you looking for plumbing supplies. You will see usually two different types. One is going to be to the PVC pipe. The main PVC pipe is usually used inside the walls, so it needs to be very sturdy, so it's kept in place for years and years. The stuff that is exposed and is inside our vanities, that one does not have to be that sturdy, and some of it's very easy to modify, just like this Everbuilt. It pretty much works like a puzzle. You buy a bunch of different pieces and then you fit them all together using the wing nuts and the seals that come with them. If you have a large project and you don't know exactly what you need, I would recommend buying a whole bunch of different parts and then return whichever ones that you don't use. As you can see, this P-trap allows it to get extended, so then you can move it into position wherever you need it. I know that any one of you can do this easily. So go ahead and save a couple of bucks, do a project yourself, have fun doing it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe. Hit me up on any of the social media platforms. I'll see you around.